Popular famed DJ from The Ellen Show, DJ Twitch Boss, took his own life at age 40. This has sent the entire entertainment fraternity into shock as no one expected this to have happened. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. So DJ Twitch Boss, the dancer, the choreographer, as well as a TV actor and presenter, has passed away at age 40 years old. Stephen Twitch Boss, best known as the dancing DJ and sidekick on The Ellen Show, has passed away by suicide at age 40 years old. This news sent shockwave through the entire entertainment fraternity, and people are just trying to come to terms with what really transpired. Confirming the news to reporters, the TV star's wife Alison Boss said that he was the backbone of their family, the best husband and father, and an inspiration to his fans around the world. DJ Twitch Boss became an integral part of the Ellen DeGeneres US show from 2014 until it was finished earlier this year. Ellen tweeted on Wednesday to say that she was heartbroken at the news. She described the American freestyle hip-hop dancer and actor as pure love and a light. He was my family. I love him with all my heart, she wrote. I will miss him, Ellen wrote on her social media platform. Details surrounding the sudden and tragic passing of DJ Stephen Twitch Boss, including what those who interacted with him hours before leading up to his death had to say and observed. Sources with direct knowledge of the situation said that Stephen checked into a motel less than 1 mile from his LA home on Monday morning. His wife also said that he left home and did not take his wallet with him. This was unusual for him to do. Staffers at the motel said that he didn't appear to be in any sort of distress and wasn't visibly upset about anything when they saw him. We were told that the 40-year-old only had a small bag with him and booked the room for only one night. It was on Tuesday when Twitch missed his checkout and employees went to his room, where they found the deceased in the bathroom with a self-inflicted gunshot wound to the head. Staffers who spoke to reporters said that they did not hear any gunshot while Twitch was staying at the motel, and this might be due that he was in a separate unit and the structure was in a U shape. Stephen's wife Alison was frantic when she reported her husband missing, as this was unlike him, stating that it was unlike him at all and that he had left his car at home. It was about 11:15 a.m. on Tuesday when paramedics were called to the motel and pronounced him dead at the scene. All I can say that what happened to DJ Twitch Boss is a very sad and unfortunate situation, and it just goes to show you how some of the times people can portray that positive character on the outside, but deep down inside them they have some real serious issues dealing with. And this individual, Twitch Boss, he always seemed as an individual that was full of life, enjoying life, but deep down behind this there was a dark secret that he was not telling anyone, or people might have known about it but did not know that it would actually push him to the extent where he would decided that ending his life would be the only way to get out of the situation. It's very sad and it's very unfortunate that such a young and promising individual who touched the hearts of many not only locally but on the international scene could not find someone to talk to about his situation, and to know that his family was actually there. And then when the whole entire news broke about what transpired, it was very sad to actually heard about the whole entire thing, even after I've watched him on the Ellen Show on numerous occasions. But this just goes to show you that depression is a real thing, and some of the time we have to be more considerate for the people around us, because some of the times these individuals might be going through certain things and they just portray that positive character on the outside, but deep down inside of them something is slowly eating them away. So he was at home on Monday and then he left his home unknowingly to his family that this would have been the last time that they would have grazed eyes on him. And then he took a Uber, I'm told, because he left his car at home, and then he checked into a motel just a mile from where he resides. and what transpired thereafter will forever edge on the hearts and minds of many for the years to come, especially his family members and also his close friends and associates and those that would have been around him in his inner circle for most of his life. This is such a sad situation, and I can tell you right now that his family is left totally devastated, and his fans across the world are left in total shock and disbelief as news spread of the untimely passing of Stephen Twitch Boss, the dancer, the presenter, the choreographer, and someone that would have been there on the television providing you with quality entertainment. This just goes to show you that life is just so unpredictable and depression is a real thing. So there have been many rumors circulating online as to what might have led him to take his life. There were some rumors circulating online about some investment deals that might have went wrong for him, where he would have invested most of his life saving into, and then this would have collapsed. That was one of the theory that some people have been working with as it relates to his passing. However, that has not been confirmed or denied by his family members up to the publication of this report. So we are still waiting on a report to actually find out what transpired. I'm told that there was a note actually found in the motel where he was staying, and we have not been provided with any details as it relates to what was written on the note or whether this can shed some more light on what really transpired leading up to him taking his own life. But DJ Twitch Boss will be surely missed, and this is based on the outpouring of love and support that he has been getting on social media since the tragic news broke on Tuesday morning. But we here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity at this point in time just to send our heartfelt and sincere condolences to his family and friends, and especially those that would have worked with him over the years of his illustrious career. And we here at Links 007 TV just want to wish them all the best and hope that the family find the strength to cope during this difficult time, because we know that this is going to be a hard one for them, and it might take some time for them to heal from this based on the circumstances that surround his passing. Rest in peace, Twitch Boss. You will be sadly missed. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Thanks for watching, and if you're first time watching, please subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you're always updated when we post a new video. Have a blessed and productive day from the Links TV team.